Well, good morning. This is Steve Jones, about 9:40 a.m. on June 24, 2025. I'm at the terminus of the Alum Cave trail on the Green Mountain Nature Preserve. And it's not really a cave, it's a deep ledge where Native Americans, we're told, sought shelter. Very comfortable on this hot, sunny day. And this is a nice cove. There's a stream running through it. You can hear it. The trees are tall. It's a mixed mesophytic hardwood stand, reaching high, plenty of moisture, deep, fertile soils available on this concave upper slope.